Before you buy outdoor solar lights, let me show you these ones that helped change the look of my yard without any wiring or complicated installation. I have tried quite a few solar lights over the years, and one thing I've learned is that they aren't all created equal. Some barely stay lit, while others just don't look very attractive during the day. But these Home Zone Living Solar Crackle glass lanterns have honestly been a pleasant surprise. The first thing that caught my attention was the Crackle glass design. Even before they turned on, they look decorative and high-end. They don't have that cheap plastic appearance that some solar lights have, so they actually add to the landscaping even during the day. The installation couldn't have been any easier. I literally unpacked them, attached the included stakes together, and placed them where I wanted them. There's no wiring, no tools, and no electrical work. If you can push a stake into the ground, you can install these. I decided to place mine at the entrance to my little pathway because I wanted a warm, inviting glow instead of a bright flood lighting. And once the sun went down, I was really impressed. They automatically turned on by themselves and gave off a beautiful, warm white light. And the Crackle glass creates a really pretty pattern that looks more elegant than a standard solar light. If you're looking for decorative lighting for your patio, walkway, flower beds, backyard, or around a seating area, I think these are a great option. They don't overpower the space. They just simply add a cozy, welcoming ambiance without spending a fortune or dealing with electrical lighting. And I'm really happy with how they look each evening, and I'm thankful for Home Zone gifting them to me to try out.